I am Tara Villavazzo, owner and instructor of Avant Permanent Cosmetics. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my microblading training program and how it can be an exciting new career from anybody of any background, as well as a wonderful addition to an existing career in aesthetics or anything in the beauty industry. You do not have to have any prior knowledge of permanent makeup or microblading. I designed this course to give the complete beginner all of the tools they need to start a successful career in microblading. You have a 30-day home course complemented by web modules and instruction, and that will give you the tools you need to be prepared for your 30-hour, 3-day intensive hands-on training course.
I learned so much after taking this 3-day course. It was worth it to travel to Atlanta because you're going to get some of the best training available coming down here. When I do something, I want to be the best in my market to do it. And in order to be the best, you got to get trained by the best.
You are going to learn everything from brow design, patterns, color theory, to the practical application of microblading and manual shading. In the home course, you are going to learn how to do brow mapping, design, and your stroke patterns. And then when you come to class, you're going to be able to connect that with all of the other things that you need to learn in person. I have this separated for a very, very important reason. If I teach you other things online, it is going to be a lot more difficult to grasp. Instruction is so crucial to being able to connect the dots and be able to put all of that together. In class, you are going to learn how to hold a needle, how to position your hand, how to stretch the skin. All of those things, while seemingly simple, are extremely difficult to learn online. You are going to get to work on live models under my supervision.
With all of the knowledge that she gives you about sanitary procedures and proper technique, you have to keep working on to get better at. I feel like honestly her encouragement in taking everything that she's given to us and really creating our own style, I think that's really probably the biggest thing that I've taken away from the course.
I feel that health and safety and great technique are paralleled. One is certainly not more important than the other. You have a full 6 months instructor support. The 6 months instructor support is going to be one of the most complimentary parts of the training that I strongly encourage students to utilize. At the end of my comprehensive microblading training program, you will have all of the skills you need to begin an exciting new career in microblading. To begin your journey into microblading, register for an upcoming course. I look forward to having you in my next class.